must be thinking, what is it? That's 3D hologram projector made at home. In this video, I will show you to make one. But before making projector, let's peep in the world of hologram. Hologram projector is a three-dimensional image formed by the interference of light beams from a laser or other current light source. The development of laser enabled the first practical optical holograms that recorded the 3D objects to be made in 1962 by Yuri Denisyuk in Soviet Union, by Emmett Leith and Juris Opatnians in the US. The technology is used in political campaigns, movies, etc. Hologram world is very vast and is still developing, but I will teach you to prepare a hologram from basic stationery easily available at home. To make a hologram projector, you will need sanitizer, marker, cotton, tape, cutter, ruler and a CD. In the first step, you have to take a CD and a cutter and divide the CD into two halves. When you will divide the CD into two halves, you have to clean it with sanitizer and cotton. I have already cleaned the CD, so now let's mark some points. Take a ruler and a marker and draw a 4 cm straight line. Now draw 1 cm line perpendicular to the above line. Mark 3 cm on both the sides of the 4 cm line. Join the points as shown by me. Now let's cut it out. Take a cutter and scale and cut them. We have to make sure to cut this outline which we have marked. I have already cut out, and this is how it will look after you will cut the first piece. This is how it will look after you will cut all the 4 pieces. So now let's stick them. Take one piece and a piece of tape and stick one half of the tape on one side of the piece, and take another piece and stick it like this. Repeat this process till you join all the 4 pieces. So this is how it will look after you have joined all the 4 pieces. But it is not a proper hologram projector. So to make it proper, take another piece of tape and stick it on one of the piece of the CD. Take another piece and stick it like this. Now your hologram projector is ready. When you have finished making your hologram projector, search on Google hologram videos. Click any of the video as per your wish and make it full screen. Keep your mobile on the ground and keep your hologram projector in the center of your mobile and upside down and see the magic.